For you mid-century modern fans, I've got the house for you in downtown Chandler. I'm in the Silk Stockings Historic District, and this cool new listing that will be coming on the market later today. Fantastic pool area, and the house here is about 1,100 square feet with a wall of windows facing toward the pool area. It's just stunning on the inside. Let's go take a look. Had to include the patio space as well. All the way around the pool. Surrounded by oleanders for privacy. Super private backyard. This nice covered area, plus more brick sidewalk patio on the side yard. We've got this incredible hand-built stone fireplace, sort of as a centerpiece of the great room area. Brick tile flooring. I wanted to show you the vaults as well. It's vaulted throughout. Gonna wander this way. Our kitchen area there. And then this wall of windows looking out toward the pool area. Just incredible. Bring us around this way for a view of our kitchen. Very much the original 50s kitchen here. Original appliances in pretty darn good shape. This kind of little cool alcove here with a cutting board. And then you do have a mudroom here as well with great storage. Pull out this way so you can see a little better. Closet, vaults again. And then our bathroom area. Okay, that concludes the tour. If you'd like information about this or to see it, just give me a call at 602-430-5755 and own a piece of Chandler history.